Our study begins around 1740 and ends in 1773. The First Carnatic War and Nadir Shah's invasion of India were the early landmarks. The last milestone was the reorganization of the political system during the tenure of the Warren Hastings. The decline of the Mughal Empire as the first theme. This was a long drawn-out process to which many factors contributed. Nadir Shah's invasion in 1739 and the massacre of Delhi seriously weakened an already feeble Mughal Empire. Other factors including economic crisis contributed to the empire's decline. The Mughal Empire did not survive, but its institutions and traditions continued in the regional states and British provinces. Mughal administrative practices, especially in respect of land revenue, were adopted. The second theme, the emergence of regional powers, was perhaps the most significant. Three groups of states can be distinguished. The successor states Hyderabad, Awadh and Bengal were erstwhile provinces of the Mughal Empire which broke away to become independent. The new states were the creation of the Marathas, Sikhs, Jats and Afghans. In this process in some of these states, an important role was played by popular peasant movements against imperial demands. A third category was that of the independent kingdoms of Mysore, the Rajputs and Kerala, which have sometimes been wrongly called Hindu polities. Why did all these regional powers fail to keep the British out? Some crucial areas of weakness are indicated in this unit. The final theme taken up is the transition of the East India Company from a trading enterprise to a political power. We shall trace this transition and resultant conflicts in South India and Bengal.